Welcome to Learn Codes. Today, you're going to build your very first website, even if you've never written a single line of code before. Let's get started. Before we write anything, we need to understand what a website actually is. A website is made of three things: HTML, which creates the structure, CSS, which adds the style, and JavaScript, which makes the website interactive. Think of it like a house. HTML is the foundation and walls. CSS is the paint, decorations, and furniture. And JavaScript is the electricity that makes everything move. Here's how a website works behind the scenes. You type a website name into your browser. Your browser sends a request to a server. The server sends back the website files, and your browser displays them for you. Simple, right? To start building your own website, you only need two things: a web browser, like Chrome, and a code editor. I recommend VS Code. That's it. Everything we do will be completely free. Now, let's build your first website. On your computer, create a new folder. Name it My First Website. Inside that folder, create a new file. Call it index.html. This will be the homepage of your website. Now open the index file in VS Code. Delete everything inside and type exactly what I say. Exclamation mark, DOC type, then HTML. Next, type HTML, then press Enter. Inside the body section, write this: H1, Hello World. Below that, add a paragraph. This is my first website. Save the file, then double-click it. Your browser will open it instantly. Congratulations, you just built your first website. Your homework is simple. Add your name to the website. Add a sentence about yourself, and if you want, add a picture or a link to another website. These small steps will help you get comfortable editing your own code. In the next lesson, we'll make this website look beautiful by adding CSS. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss Lesson 2. See you in the next video. And welcome to the world of web development.